Good morning, my dear students. I hope you must be fine and safe at your home. So, as you're already aware that we're going to start with the first chapter from your Beehive book, that is The Fun They Had, and the story is written by Isaac Asimov. So, before just coming to the chapter, it's important to discuss what we are going to study in this chapter. So, this whole of the chapter revolves around the school. The futuristic schools is being compared with the old kind of schools in this chapter. So in this chapter, basically there are two important characters. Margie, who is an 11-year-old girl and who is very curious by nature. Tommy, who is 13 years of age. So this story is set up around 150 to 160 years ahead from now. That is, the story is set up in 2157. So it was on 17th May and 2157 that Tommy found an old book. As they are living like 150 to 160 years ahead from now, so book for them is a waste of time, and they have never seen any real kind of book in their life because they are studying with the help of mechanical teachers. They are studying with the help of computers, and they are not going to any kind of school. Their school is in their home only. Their school is next to their bedroom, and in their bedroom, mechanical teacher, a robotic teacher, or a computer is. They are being taught by computers. So they are not aware about what schools are. What is the atmosphere of schools? They are not aware about the school buildings, school teachers, and most important, the books. So this is for the first time that they saw a book. They found a real book which we are studying nowadays, which we are using in our present times. So this story is set around 150 to 160 years forward from this time. So this book is a strange thing for them. This is for the first time they have seen a book. So that book was on schools. That book was based on schools, and the condition of book was very pathetic. It has become very old. The pages have turned yellow, and Margie has informed this thing in the story that when her grandfather was a child, at that time her father used to tell about the schools. That when Margie's grandfather was child, and his father used to tell him about the schools. So how old were the concept of schools for them? So that whole book was based on the school, that in olden times the children were going to the school. School was a specific building. Teachers were men and women. Children were sitting together in the classroom. They read together, eat together, work together, laugh together. So basically they are enjoying the school life. Children of same age are sitting in the same classroom, like of yours. You take example of your 9th class. You're having number of friends in a class. You sit together, you laugh together. So you're having a fun. So that's why the name of this chapter is The Fun They Had. They means the children, those who were living in olden times, means the 150 years backwards. They must be enjoying the life of the school. And as I'm repeating this thing again, the story is being set in 2157. That is 150 to 160 years above from now. So school is really an old concept for all these children. These children are being taught by the mechanical teachers, the computers. So except on Saturdays and Sundays, these children are having their off. But besides that, from Monday to Friday, they are going to their room. One computer is set over there. That computer is teaching them all the subjects, whether maths, social science, whatever subjects are there. And that computer is also giving them homework. They are doing their homework and they are putting their homework in the computers. and that computer is also taking their test. So in this chapter, the present schools in which we are studying and the futuristic schools which are in the home of the children only is being compared. And in the end, the Margie and Tommy got to know that the old kind of schools were the best schools, because the children of the similar age, they were studying together, eating together, playing together, and enjoying their life. So I hope you must have understood what we are going to study in this chapter. So let's start with the chapter. Thank you.